How you spend December sets the tone for your entire 2025. Let's make this month the one where everything changes. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Daniela, and in this channel, we talk about everything productivity, success, mindset, and habits that help you glow up into your best version. Today, we're talking about December, the most underrated month when it comes to planning your future. Here's the thing. Most people spend December rushing to get everything done that they haven't in the entire year, or just coasting, waiting for January to magically fix everything. But let me tell you something, December is the secret weapon to setting up your best year yet. And today, I'll guide you through a simple but powerful December reset to help you prepare mentally, emotionally, and practically for 2025. Let's face it, January resolutions don't work if you're entering the new year stressed, unorganized, and uninspired. December is the perfect time to reflect, reset, and plan. It's about clearing up what doesn't serve you and making space for what truly matters. I used to wait until January to start planning my goals, but then I realized I was already overwhelmed, trying to play catch up from the holidays. The moment I started using December to reset, everything changed. I entered the new year calm, clear, and ready to take on the world. So now let's get into the steps. Step 1. Declutter your mind and your space. The first step of any reset is to get rid of anything that doesn't serve you anymore. Think of it as clearing the runway for your future self. Start with your physical space. Clean out your desk, your closet, and even your phone. A clutter-free space equals a clutter-free mind. Then declutter mentally. Take 10 minutes to brain dump everything that's stressing you out. Unfinished tasks, lingering doubts, anything that's been bothering you. I recently did a deep declutter of my digital life, emails, apps, photos, and it felt like a weight lift off my shoulders. Sometimes the smallest actions have the biggest impacts. Step 2. Reflect on 2024. Once you've decluttered, it's time to reflect. Ask yourself, what went well this year? What didn't? What lessons can I take from this year to carry to the next year? For me, one of the biggest lessons I learned this year was the importance of being consistent. Taking time to reflect gave me so much clarity on what I want and I don't want moving forward. Write this down. Reflection isn't about judging, it's about awareness. The more honest you are with yourself, the stronger your foundation for 2025 will be. Step 3 is to set intentions for December. Before you jump into 2025 goals, focus on how you want to feel and what you want to get done this December. Maybe it's calmness, joy, or productivity. Write down 1 to 3 intentions for this month. For example, I'm focusing on finishing the book I started reading a week ago and setting good foundations for my business to really thrive in 2025. I used to set huge December goals and then I'd feel frustrated when I didn't achieve them. Now I am realistic with my goals and it's been a game changer. Step 4. Create a simple plan for 2025. Now comes the fun part, planning. But don't overwhelm yourself. Start small and focused. Begin with 3 categories: personal growth, career, and relationships, or whatever aligns with your life. Set 1 to 2 goals per category and keep them realistic. For example, instead of I will work out every day, substituted by I will move my body 3 times a week. Then map out your first steps. What can you do in January to start these steps in motion? I started doing this last year, and let me tell you, it made me feel so much more in control. For instance, I focused on improving my sleep, and by March, I already felt much more energized and productive. If this video is inspiring you so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me, and I can keep bringing content like this your way. Also, drop a comment below what's the one thing you're focusing on this December. Finally, let's end the year on a high note. Gratitude is the best way to shift your mindset and attract positivity for the year ahead. Write down 5 things you're grateful for in 2024. It can be people, experiences, or even lessons learned. Then celebrate your wins. Treat yourself with something you love, whether it's a cozy night in, a meal with friends, or a personal reward. Last year, I started a gratitude jar. It's such a beautiful way to close the year. Before we wrap up, here's a quick December exercise for you. Spend 10 minutes decluttering your space. Reflect on 3 wins and 3 lessons from 2024. Write down 1 to 3 intentions for December. Set 3 small and actionable goals for January. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. By taking these small steps now, you're setting yourself up for an aligned and successful 2025. December isn't just the end of the year, it's the beginning of your next chapter. By resetting now, you're creating space for everything you want to achieve in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to hear about your December reset plans in the comments. Let's make this the month where everything changes. See you in the next video. Bye!